Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you our 14 Buick Encore. You can see got a few rock chips up front there. No, isn't ripped or anything, just got some chips and stuff. A couple chips here, but I don't see any hail damage on it anywhere. So that's good and clean. Nice clean all-wheel drive vehicle. There's brand new tires on it. The people that traded it in put new tires the week before they traded it. So doors look in good shape. Interior's nice. It's cloth leather trim. There you can see the power driver seat. We'll start it up and go through 98,747. You probably didn't catch that. It went off too quick, but has 3 keys for it. Yep, 98,747 you can see. There's the air working, you can hear the radio. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn. There's your wipers. And if you can see in that mirror, it also has lane departure. Or blind spot. Let's see, the mirror's working. We'll go on the right side windows. And then this one I can't let go down very far because of the paper. So we'll let you take a listen to the engine and show you the lights. There's power seat, moves forward and backwards. Got a little, that'd probably buff off there. That's just really light. A couple light scratches right here. It is all-wheel drive. Cover if you want to cover stuff over the top or put some stuff up above and some stuff below. You can probably see the tail lights. Nice and straight, no major dents or anything. You know, an occasional scratch or two is about all you're going to see. And there's your headlights. Tech runs nice, smooth, and been pretty good motors. Get good fuel mileage. This has been through our shop, serviced, put on alignment rack. I think we replaced tire sensor maybe. That was about it. So 3-month, 3,000 mile comprehensive warranty comes with it. Covers over 600 items: suspension, steering, electrical, fuel, your drivetrain. So best coverage you'll probably find from anybody. So looking for a nice, affordable SUV, give us a call. 605-692-7010.